Seguida Middle School contacts the police department, it's local, San Juan, and also the school district. Now that we have a police department, and they put on a charity basketball game for alcohol awareness and also to raise money for the Scholarship Foundation. This is important so we can bond with the kids. Those are the ones that we're trying to get the message out to, right? So we have the tools, but we need to give it to them. We need to let them know what alcohol awareness is about and what they can do to prevent getting into that situation. We're here for you, right? Don't be afraid of us. You can come talk to us. You have a question, you're in danger, just come and speak to us.
We just like to thank, first of all, to the San Juan PD, ESJA PD, Chief Garcia, again for embarking in this, event.
We had a very successful event. I hope everybody comes out next year. Don't drink, dribble.